Hello guys, welcome today. In this video, discussion about the database assignment. Today I'm gonna show you question sets 4. We are giving the scenario. You have given the institute to develop the school system of Kagalu Mahavidyalaya. Your part in this software is to create a database. With this software, you can easily manage all student information, all teachers' informations, class schedules, etc. In this scenario, I explain now. In the Kagalu Mahavidyalaya, so students and teachers' informations and class schedules manage data for given the software company. Your work in this company, so you are part of the create a database. Question 1. Use Kaggle Vidyalaya DB as the name of the database. Draw ER diagram. So I draw the ER diagram and select the new model. Rename my database. Copy it. I refresh database name Kaggle Vidyalaya DB. Okay, first question complete. Question 2. Create a table to store student information and their guardian information. Follow the instructions below when create this table. Table name student, second table name guardian. So now I add the first table, this select icon, double click, student, first copy. Okay. The first column I add all data type varchar, first name, second column name, last name, gender is a length 10, contact number and length for 10, okay, address 10, 60, length for 60. Okay, the student table is created. Finished. I add the new table. The second table is the guardian table. I table name rename guardian. First column is a guardian ID. Second first name, third last name, gender add. Okay, gender is a length 10, contact number, last column add contact number length 10. Okay, two table create. Second question complete. Question 3. Name the relation between the two tables, students and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram you create. So I explain now question 2. Looking at the student from the guardian table, one guardian has many students. Then the guardian table is a 1 and the student table is a many. Then looking at the guardian table is from the student table. The one guardian per student per the more person can be guardian for several students. Then the guardian table is a 1 and student table is a many. Then it is one-to-many. I first select one-to-many connection create. I first select the one-to-many icon. Draw the now first many table and second guardian table. Complete the question. Question 4. A teacher teach several subject and one subject. Teachers several teachers created teachers and tables using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. First table name teacher, second table subject. This we are giving the data. Now I create the teacher table. In this I add new table. I add the gender length is a 10, water 10. Okay, next column name is contact number is less than. Okay, email. Okay, email is 50. Okay, I add the new other table is a subject table. Rename subject ID. Subject name. Okay, subject ID is a data type vacha. Okay, and 10 length 45 and 10. Okay. I create the two table and add the relationship. We are called. I explain. I first check the subject to teacher relation. One teacher each many subject. For example, English, Japanese, Tamil, British English. It is so many language. Each the one teacher. So then looking at the teacher table from the subject table, one subject has many teachers. Learn to one-to-many relationship is the created between teacher and subjects. So I add the now many-to-many relation. This select the table. The other table is created at the many-to-many table relation. So we can learn the from this the how to it use many-to-many and one-to-many. Learn today student and guardian table and teacher and subject table we all learn. I completed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Do you have any question? Comment down below. See you soon.